Well, I feel like ass warmed over, but I have to get to Toledo in some number of hours to go to Bobby's house. So I'll just have to snap out of it, which is what you gotta do. You got PTSD, anxiety, depression, whatever. You can't just throw in the towel. You have to keep trying. Don't get me wrong, you can push yourself too hard, but you know when you're not trying hard enough. I'll be okay in a little while. That's over to you. You guys are coming. And this jacket that I haven't wore in like 8 years. Game of Thrones audiobook ready to go for the trip. I made it, but that is not good right there. That is what happens when your brain is not thinking straight. Oh, oh well, I'm here. Just got up, gotta feed the cats. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's Two-Face. What? No black cat? Alright. Maybe he found a home. You guys want some food? Do you? Yeah. Are you headbutting me? What the heck? I realize you guys want to get petted, but okay, we're gonna put it under the table here because looks like it's gonna rain. So it's okay. Come on. I know you like getting petted. Food's underneath the water dish. Oh god, look nasty. Gonna have to clean that. Look, dummy. Come on. Come on. It's underneath. Put it underneath. See? Over here. Come on. Here's your good kitty. Come on. I realize when I get belly rubbed, but Freddy cat. That is definitely an outdoor cat right there. Yeah, good kitty. Alright, I'm going inside. Coke Mountain is getting smaller. Oh no. Time to edit the Blue Hippo video, which has got a whole one view. Wow. It's not even finished. I'm not sure there's a point in editing it, because when I do, the views go up to like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What the fuck? Lost again. Are you serious? Magic sucks. Seriously? Fuck this game. What the hell are you laughing about? Oh my god. Fuck this game. Don't be. What the fuck are you laughing at? Let me show you something. This is a pellet gun. You see this? This is a real gun. God damn it. Just look at that. Look, she don't give a shit. Ah, fuck, man. Hey, are you... I didn't fart. Breakfast of Champions. Man, that does stink. What the hell? What the hell? Stop eating me. Stop eating me. Go to get some health food. Don't do you because your hair looks bad? That makes no sense.
Don't film me.
Nah. Feeling sick as a horse's ass as usual. But this health food should hook us up. Right?
Yep.
Actually got out of the house. Was not even up for that most of the day. Woohoo! I left the house. No, we left the house. Oh, got you for a second. Wasn't good enough for me to see anything. Oh, there it is, look. The Health Food Center of America. Order the healthiest thing they have on the menu.
2 caramel frappes, please.
And the health food has appeared. Yeah, the McDonald's is pretty close to your house. I think, though, anywhere in America, shitty food is about the same distance from any given location. Good food, like quality food, much, much farther, and only in rich areas.
Yep.
Oh, we got a Whole Foods in Detroit. What the hell is there a Whole Foods in Detroit for? That's exactly what we need. Most expensive grocery store. Or we could get a Trader Joe's in Detroit. That would be even better. Just equally expensive, maybe even more. And we're back with the health food. We made it with the health food. Oh yeah. Hey Wonder, we're home. Okay, buddy? What's the matter? Huh? Something bad happened? Nah, you like it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Big masses of sugar. Just like Mom always suggested when you have a cold or whatever the hell this is that I got. And woohoo, guys! Dinner of champions. I don't think I can finish this. It's just making me feel worse, I think. You want it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Drink lots of water. It's good for you. Oh. Hi, newbie. Hi. You sad? What's the matter, huh? You okay? Aw, you look like you've been getting in trouble. Look at your face. What's the matter? Come on, look over here. What's wrong with you, huh? Poor baby. Get you some food. Get the other kitty some food, too. Poor little guy. He follows you around like a dog. I think he's just homeless now. The black cat situation is now that he's adopted, I think. Hey, Ashy. Just getting outside to catch some food. Hi, newbie. That's what we named you. Where's the other kitties, huh? It's a little bit early for them guys. They usually eat a little later. Why do you keep rubbing up against me? You want some water? No, you just want to be petted, don't you? Yeah, you do. Poor guy. Nope. Gotta put it over here. And you gotta find the other kitties too. They're like your brothers now. I'll stay out here and guard you for a little while. In case them stupid ground chucks show up again. I just take them mother effers out. Oh, I feel like ass. So apparently the black cat situation is that his name is now Newbie, and he's adopted. Uh-oh. You guys sound like you want to have a full-on singing party. Okay, so we got Rose. Put him in choir mode. Alright, this is going to take a long time. Let's go through the names here. Edgy. Guy whose name I don't know who he is. Let's call him Star for right now. Amour. Blaze. I came to visit. This is my mom's. Rose is also my mom's. Alright, start singing. Aw, somebody said. I don't know what they just sang, but it was a song. Uh-oh, here they go again.
That one's pretty easy. They just go off on their own. Like, that we're singing Ode to Joy a while ago. Like, we did good, yay. Alright. And I gotta finish working on these gathering cards. You get the cards, you get the shirt, you get the laminate, you get the iron. And yes, this does take forever. Since I end up throwing out all, not quite half, but it's hard to get them just right. Restate that. It's impossible to get them just right. So then you put them in the shirt. And then you start ironing them. Which you always gotta do this at least twice. Never works out the first time. And then you do this at least 7 more times. At least. Probably more like 15 more times. And then you go, rah, let's hope for the best. Voila. Alright. Only 14 more times to go. Forcing myself to be social again. In Toledo. What's that one over there? Oh, it's Bobby. We're on the way to the game room, which, lucky for us, doesn't really cost any money, because we trade like crazy. But it's way less than minimum wage. I don't recommend it. And there it is, the game room. And we get to play in the storage room. The storage room, there's Ian and Chelsea. Hi, Chelsea. Nah, Julia, oh my God. Please, I beg forgiveness. Please. That one. Kevin. Ben. And Drew. God damn it, I suck. I apologize. Had to stop playing early because I was feeling sick. But it'll be okay. There's Wanderer hanging out in leaves. Weirdo. Well, I am sick and sad and leaving Toledo, but things will get better. They always do. So just keep that in mind. If you're feeling sad, just keep on going. Things will get better. Hugs are good. Jerks are bad. And now I gotta go fill up an empty gas tank and drive 50 minutes home. But anyway, try to keep a smile on your face. What I'm doing right now, being sick and sad, it'll pass. Keep your chin up. Spiral out.